guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this easy shrimps and egg Chinese fried rice. It is so easy to make. Let's just go ahead and get started. Here are the ingredients you'll be needing to make this: chopped carrots, and then I have some bell peppers, red, green and yellow bell peppers. I have some sweet corn and some green peas there over here, and then I have some spring onions already chopped. I have some green chilies and red scotch bonnets. I have some eggs over here, and then here is my shrimps, and then I have some boiled rice. I'm using overnight boiled rice, okay? It's preferable, you guys. I have some seasoning cube, half part of it, and some salt. I have some freshly crushed black pepper, yeah, and then I have some oil over here, and lastly some butter. So we are starting off by seasoning the shrimps with some black pepper and some salt. So we are going to season it. Please be mindful of salt in shrimps. It's easily overpowered, okay? So let's mix it all together, okay? As you mixed it, now set the pan on the fire, okay, and heat up some oil on it. When it heats up, just adding the shrimps, okay, and then layer it in a single layer, okay? Cook it on both sides for 2 minutes on each side, okay, and flip it to the other side to cook, okay? You want your shrimp perfectly cooked, yeah. So I'm just going to flip it and then allow it to cook on the other side as well. Look at that, so gorgeous. Okay, so when it is cooked, okay, we're going to go ahead and then take it out the pan. Yeah, we're going to take it out the pan and set it aside. So we are going to go ahead and get the egg going, cracking the eggs. You can adjust this as per your family size, as per the rice you are making. Okay, I just seasoned it with a little bit of salt and then whisk it. In the same pan, I'm adding in some butter, okay, melting some butter and adding the eggs, okay? Yeah, just adding the egg and scramble it gently. Gently fold this egg in. If you've not watched my video on how to make perfect scrambled eggs, just the link will be on the description, okay? Learn how to make your scrambled egg perfectly. Okay, I'm just going to make this scrambled egg and then we are going to set it aside. Look how fluffy that egg is. Okay, we're just going to add it in a plate, in a bowl, and then set it aside, and then continue with the frying of the vegetables. So in the same pan, I'm adding in some oil and some butter, adding the spring onions left over, okay? We're using it to fry the rice, the remaining one. Adding the bell peppers, okay, stir for a bit, and then adding the carrot, chopped carrot. So I'm going to go ahead and stir that up, and then I'll be adding the green chilies and the scotch bonnet, okay? Stir it in, and then I'm seasoning it, okay, with the seasoning cube, the half part of the seasoning cube, 1 cube, and then some salt. You don't want your vegetables to taste blank, okay? Going ahead now and adding the sweet corn and the green peas. Please guys, don't mind my green peas, okay? It's dried green peas, and then I boiled it, and then I'm setting aside the vegetables, okay? I'm adding the remaining chopped spring onions and some butter, adding your rice. You guys, I prefer you use already cooked rice, okay, so it will have enough time to cool down. It will also make your rice not to stick together while you are frying it. Cook overnight and preserve in the fridge. Fry the rice, okay, just fry every grain of it, and then we will be going ahead and adding some soya sauce, okay? No fried rice, Chinese fried rice without soya sauce, okay, you guys. I didn't show you at the beginning, sorry about that. So we're just going to go ahead and fry this rice a bit more so the soya sauce can blend in, okay? And then we'll be adding in some sesame oil, okay? Some sesame oil. you guys add this sesame oil. It brings a kind of nice flavor, aroma to this dish. It's really nice. So after that, we are going to go ahead and add in our vegetables. Yes, and add in the eggs, and lastly the shrimps. Okay, just gently mix all of that up, incorporating everything together. Okay, just look at that gorgeousness. The food is so tasty, you guys. My house is smelling so amazing. Just give it a quick mix, ensure that everything is mixed all up. Taste it. Okay, for salt, mine doesn't need anything. Be mindful of salt. Soy sauce has a lot of salt in it. Okay, so go ahead and serve this and enjoy with your family. Look at that, you guys. Please, if you have watched up to this moment, subscribe to my channel. Okay, share my videos. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.